Our journey takes us back to the African savanna where we encountered the white rhinoceros, the largest of the rhinoceros species. These massive herbivores, weighing up to 5,100 pounds, are easily recognizable by their distinctive square upper lip. Despite their size and strength, white rhinos are generally peaceful creatures. However, if threatened, they will defend themselves with their formidable horns. Sadly, white rhinos are critically endangered, with only an estimated 18,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway to protect white rhinos, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration. As we leave the white rhino, we are reminded of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity.